In this video, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Duolingo. So to get started, go ahead and open Duolingo on your device and then make sure you're signed in into your account. Click on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then once you click this, go ahead and click on profile from here. So in here, go ahead and click your avatar. So basically, your profile picture on Duolingo is your avatar. So as you can see in here, you can go ahead and change your body type along with your skin tone. You can also change your eye color and expression that you're currently using for your profile or avatar. You can also change your hairstyle. So once you click on that comb icon, you'll be able to change your hairstyle and your hair color. And then once you click on this glasses icon, you'll be able to change the style of your glasses, or if you prefer not to use a glasses, you can go ahead and choose that. Now, if you click on this beard icon, you can add facial hair to your avatar. If you click on this headwear icon, you can go ahead and add headwear into your avatar. You can also change your avatar's clothes by clicking on this hanger icon. And lastly, your background color could be changed if you click on that frame icon. Now, once you click on that done button at the top right of your screen, you'll be able to save the changes for your avatar, and that is how you can basically change profile picture in Duolingo.